Hi, Grandma Joy here. Would you like to make a popping sound? That's sort of fun, isn't it? That you can make a pop sound with your lips. So, how do you do that? Well, you just have your lips really tight together and then you let them go all at once. So if I do it slowly, it won't make a popping sound. But if you do it with the lips tight and you go a little faster, I'm pressing my lips, the upper lip and the bottom lip, very tightly together. And then I'm just letting them go and moving them out. Isn't that fun? Being able to make a fun sound, popping sound. And it could be good for something like singing Pop Goes the Weasel. Instead of saying pop, I can make the pop sound. Goes the weasel, half a pound of tuppenny rice, half a pound of treacle. That's the way the money goes. Goes the weasel. So practice making popping sounds and see what other sounds you can make just for fun. Grandma Joy, and I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.